Hi guys! It's me again, Rose from the Philippines. Today is September 30, the last day of the month. It's a Wednesday. And I would like to show you my finished objects and my works in progress. But first I want to show you this. I have an order for a baptismal dress and I sketched the dress. I asked the customer for the measurements of the neck, for the arms and the length, and also for the waist, and she gave me. But from the tutorial of Miss Yolanda, it calls for 40 chains, but I think it's a little bit short. So I think I'm going to increase that because it starts with the yoke. This part is called the yoke. So I'm going to start from there. And I want to figure out the measurements. I'm going to figure out how to make it. So that's the order. And also, this is an Hello Kitty with a bonnet. Bunny bonnet. From my first years, or for my first days of working on amigurumis, I really wanted to make this type. It's an inspiration for me to make this, because I saw a picture from the internet of this design and I really liked it, and it's just now that I made it. Excuse me. So I'm very happy with how it come out, and I'm very happy also because I can make it. It has been long overdue, but here it is. This Hello Kitty has a bonnet, a rabbit bonnet, and she has this bow. From the picture, the bow is kinda oblong type, but I made it like this. And the eyes and this nose is made out of mercerized cotton yarn. And also this her nose. She turned out quite big, but I think this is the good size for her. She also has these whiskers. These whiskers I also used mercerized cotton yarn. So it's the Hello Kitty bunny. And since I started on the minions and I was figuring out the size, I made a big one. The first one that I made, it has a shorter type or smaller type of oblong. These turned out pretty big, but still it doesn't represent Stuart, because Stuart is kind of small. So I think I'm mistaken with the size of this part. But it turned out quite okay. It has this big goggle eyes, and I put the black strap on it. His hair is also like that of the first one that I made. And his jumper is blue, and he has this logo of Gru and a pocket. And like the first one, I only made it round, but this one I made into a pocket. And he has this type of legs and the black for the shoe part. His back is like this. I suppose I should have done this part for the back, but I think it's okay that way. It also has some buttons on him. It's a good thing that I have buttons available, so you don't have to buy. not to smile. His smile, I'm figuring it out. Does he look like he's smiling? Okay. And he has to slow. I made a pretty good job with the globe. Because the first time, it's kinda not that good, but turned out to be like glue. Black glue. That's the second one. And also, I'm working on the lion. This is how it turned out. Still have to put the eyes, the snout, or the muzzle. Plus, he has some mane or fur here around his chin. So I think I have to sew that also. But other parts of his body is done. The legs, arms, and also I sewn the ears on the cap. This cap is not yet sewn to his head, so I still have to do that. But when I put it, it's pretty tight, so it doesn't fall off easily. Because it's very, very tight. So I'm hoping to ask Ate Lori to sell those. I'm hoping that she would like to sell them. So that's it. Don't have anything else. Excuse me.
Boss, tinamutuhan. Bili lang ako ng ano.
At salamat.
Ng gabi. Walang gabi.
Sige po. For the regular guide, it turned out quite big. So I'm thinking that I can make it into a cowl. I have this much yarn. So last night I was working on this. And I thought, maybe I can make it into a cowl. Here in the Philippines, we don't use cows. Maybe I can make it into a cowl and store it for when I need it. So I wasn't here. And when I got to the second round, I thought I should make a ribbing again. 2x2 ribbing. Then up until I used up this, I will stop from there. I don't know how much ribbing this will make, but I started 2 rounds already because the stockinette part or the knitted part, I got bored with it, so I want to make again a ribbing. So it will have a corner type. Just the corner here, lower corner, and then up. That's it. So I'm going to work on that, and also the baptismal dress. I have this much yarn, so I asked my customer, my classmate from high school, to send me money for buying yarn and also as a deposit. So she said that she's going to deposit it today. Tati did got already the Sully, and she really likes Sully. And she said that I can make the other ones and I can give it to her every end of the month, or because that's when she has money. They have an apartment renting, or they have a house that they rent, so that's when she gets the money. So my next project for her is a Bugs Bunny. It's pretty intricate and detailed, and she has this different proportions of face and body. So I'm hoping to figure that out. I shrugged again the other part of this blouse because I mistaken also this part. I didn't put a chain after each double crochet, so I shrugged it again. Then I am anticipating again when I will continue this, but it's an ongoing project. My cousins, they wanted me to make them some coin purses, so I'm starting on some using cotton mercerized thread. And also, Ate Alora from the office. I'm hoping that she would want me to make her some giveaways for Christmas. Since Christmas is a big thing here, the preparation for Christmas starts September, the Burr months. So, people really are saving money or buying stuff already for Christmas, thinking about our relatives and what to give them. And also the Christmas songs are starting now. That's going to be like that for a while. And we have a different feeling of Christmas. The other days, I am feeling it already. And after that, because Christmas is very near the New Year celebration, we extend it up to that. And every January, we have fiesta here. So it extends until then. We have processions, we have bands. Every fiesta, we put banderitas. So it's pretty exciting, especially for the kids, because every Christmas, they get aguinaldos from their gifts from their ninongs and ninongs. So I think I'm going to prepare for that also. I don't know what to do. And I'm hoping also to make some giveaways for Ate Lori and Ate Lisa as a thank you for their selling my stuff. So I'm hoping that this is a long one and a bright one. Every time I upload my video on YouTube, when I started viewing it, it's a bit fuzzy or not so clear. But Christian, she said that it's okay with her. And I watched it on Mama's cell phone, and it's pretty clear there. Maybe it's just my cell phone because it's running low of memory. So I'm hoping that you guys have a fine day. I'm starting to watch again videos from you guys, and you have some pretty nice projects. Miss Kim, if I'm not mistaken, she made lots of amigurumis too. She's very good with amigurumis. She makes Baymax. Little ones. I made a Baymax, but it's kind of larger than hers. And she makes pretty good Baymaxes. And also her Spider-Man and Captain America is cool because she really makes the fingers. Each fingers she makes. And also that big one. That big amigurumi. So it's pretty awesome watching again your projects. And Miss Malon, please, I'm hoping that you get your mojo again so you can see more of your stuff. So that's it. Hi again to Miss Jan and Miss Margaret, you guys. That's all from me. I'm just rambling. So hope to see you guys soon. Bye for now.